Hello again, folks. This is Jim, your product expert with Water Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video for your viewing pleasure, entertainment, and hopefully some good information. Today we're going to cover pool cover pumps. What are these designed for? What are they used for and all that? It's pretty obvious, I would think, though. These are designed to go in your pool cover and pump water off that's accumulated from rain or whatever other water that's accumulated on top of that pool cover. They typically have a flat base on them. For good stabilization to handle that kind of surface that can get kind of wavy once in a while. GPM ranges or gallon per minute ranges on these will go anywhere from about 9 to about 50 gallons a minute. This manual guy up here on the upper right is a manual pump, no switch. They'll do about 9 gallons a minute. So when you need it, throw it out there, plug it in, pump the water, unplug it when you're done, take it in. Don't let it run dry. It's not good for the pump, and it could definitely harm the pump and cause that pump to fail. That would not be a warranted failure. The other pumps over here, again, they have switches on them. Most cases, they're going to turn on at about 2 to 3 inches of water, turn off at about 3/8 of an inch. Most of them are designed and come with adapters to attach to a standard garden hose. Make sure there's no kinks in those hoses. Pretty straight runs. I wouldn't go any more than a maximum 50-foot hose on this. 25 feet or shorter would be preferred to give the pump an easier time to work and more life to that pump, hopefully. And you may need to clean them out once in a while. Switches may need to be cleaned periodically. Intakes and these bases may need to be cleaned if you get like little pine needles or leaves accumulating in there. That's what these bases are for, designed to kind of keep all that stuff out. So you may need to clean that occasionally. And don't leave them out in the winter. If you live in a northern climate or somewhere where it can freeze, read the instructions. They explicitly state that if it gets cold, gets down below freezing, take the pumps in, don't leave them out. Leaving these in water where it freezes solid will cause either damage to the pump or the internal mechanisms, and those pumps will fail. That is not a warranted failure. So, read the instructions, heed the warnings. We get calls every spring on pool cover pumps where they're not working anymore. Do yourself a favor, read the instructions. Doing that, you're going to give it a lot longer life of the pump, less hassle for you and us, everybody involved. These are great pumps. They do a great job. If you follow instructions, they should last you for quite a long time. Hopefully that answers some questions on how these pumps work and what they're for and their design. If you have any other questions or ideas for Q&A videos, give me a call, shoot me an email. Check out our website, waterpumpsdirect.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, you all have a great day. Take care.